Lesson 4-7 on multiplying with exponents. Okay? Max?
I have a question on the assignment from yesterday.
We'll have to come back to that. Okay, Max? You can ask me after class. We're going to go through these notes together. This lesson is on multiplying numbers with exponents. Okay? And there's two types of multiplication you're going to do here. First, we're going to multiply two numbers that are powers and they have the same base. Okay? On this one, m to the third times m to the fourth, they have the same base. What is the base? Asa. What is the base of the power? M. They both have just m. Now, the rule is that when you're multiplying powers that have the same base, you can add the exponents together to get the answer. Okay? It's just like counting up the number of bases. Look, m to the third power is just m times m times m. And m to the fourth power is m times m times m times m. And so if you add all these or just count them up, you get m to the seventh power, right? Doesn't that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's why you just add the exponents together. It just tells you how many m's total you're multiplying. Okay? Now, let's look at the second concept. What if we have x to the third power multiplied to the fourth power? Okay? So what this means is x to the third times x to the third times x to the third times x to the third. Or there's 4 x to the third powers. If there's 4 x to the third powers, then if you multiply the powers, or multiply the exponents, then you get x to the 12th. It's another way of counting up the number of bases. But instead of just adding these, you're multiplying them. Okay? Look at your worksheet. On the reteaching side, number 1, 4 to the 7th power times 4 to the 2nd power. They have the same base, right? So, this is just 4 to the 7 plus 2, right? 4 to the 7 plus 2. Okay? And that equals 4 to the 9th power, right? Now, on your worksheet, they give you 2 blanks. They give you too many blanks. All right? And so what I want you to do is, on the first line, you can just write this in simplified form, and then write the answer on the second one. Okay?
How is it too many blanks?
Well, because they give you 3 to fill in.
Yeah, so it wants you to do the like 3x times 3x times 3x.
I want us to do this.
Like 4 times 4
Yeah.
times 4.
But you don't need to do that. That's what I'm telling you.
What if I already did that?
Well, you didn't wait for directions then.
Well, because we read the directions.
That's good, but I'm giving you new directions because I want you to
Well,
apply
what if we
the
don't get your
concept, okay?
directions? Can we just do the normal directions?
Yes, you can leave what you did, but going forward, this will make it easier for you.
But what if we don't want to do that? Wait, can we just do the normal one?
Wait, no, this it says this one, then do like here's like so we can leave what we did.
So leave what you did, but use use 2 of them as your answer, okay? One of them is simplified, and the other one is simplified more. Okay? So on the second one, a to the third times a to the 6th. And I want you to write a a to the 3 plus 6, and then write a to the 9th power. Okay?
So we.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what I want you to
That's
write.
the first blank, that's the second
This
blank.
is applying the concept, okay?
I like the other one.
Yeah.
Asa, you don't get to decide.
Class
Okay.
side?
This is how, make sure that you have these two as your answers. Okay?
Yeah.
Number 3. Listen. Yes.
But it says simplify each expression.
Yep, and that's what we did. We simplified this expression and then we simplified this
If you do
expression.
4 caret 9, as you simplify.
Nope, you can leave it like that.
Wait, so no. What's the first one? That one?
4 to the 7th plus, or times 4 to the 2nd,
And that's the second one.
which equals 4 to the 7th plus 2, which equals 4 to the 9th power. Right? Okay? Number 3. This one has numbers applied to it. 3 times x to the 2nd power times 4x to the 5th power. And so on the line, first of all, you can use the commutative property and do this. 3 times 4 times x to the 2nd plus 5. Max, are you getting this? You copying these
I
down?
can't find my worksheet.
Which number?
Okay. Just use mine. Okay? Then simplify this. 12 x to the 7th power. Okay? Any questions on that one? Do you see how you can move the numbers and switch the order because of the commutative property?
Sure.
Okay? Then let's skip down to number 7. Number 7 has 5 to the 3rd to the 4th power. This is a lot like the example you put in your notes. That equals 5 to the 3 times 4. Actually, I should use the dot times, which is 5 to the 12th power. Right?
So then we have to write 5 to the 4.
5 to the 3.4, and then 5 to the 12th power.
If you do 5 to 3 times 5 to the 3rd power, 5 to the 3rd power, and 5 to the 3rd power.
Only if
First
you do.
that one. Okay.
Like,
Why not just write 5 to the 3 times 4 power?
We already wrote the other room on the problem.
But
So
is it,
what?
Yeah, exactly.
okay. This is what you're going to have to show me that you know how to do. Okay?
Where's that next one?
So, Max, just write, Max, look at me. Just write 5 to the 3 times 4 yet. Okay? Oh, good. What's your question then?
I don't have a question. There's Trevor and I'm behind me.
Okay. All right, John. Number 8. H to the 2nd to the 5th power, which equals h to the 2 times 5. So that's h to the 10th power. Okay? You got this? Skip down to number 11. Number 11. John. 2s to the fourth, t to the fifth, and then everything is to the fourth power. Okay? Now look at this. This is kind of like distributing the fourth power to everything, okay? So remember when we distributed and just multiplied over parentheses? In this case, since everything is in parentheses, we're going to distribute the 4, power of 4 to the 2. So that's 2 to the fourth power times s to the fourth
Times 4.
times 4 times t to the fifth times 4. Okay? So we're distributing that fourth power to everything.
Oh, so you're just, okay.
Okay? And then simplify that to, what's 2 to the fourth power?
16. Yeah, see, we do that.
S to the 16th, t to the 20th.
I knew that.
And so the one before that, would you do the same thing?
Do the same thing, yep. X to the third times 3, x to, or y to the second times 3. Okay? Finish up this page and do the evens on the back side. Okay?